Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Like, share, and subscribe, and thank y'all for coming. Today I brought the Super Bee over here to Johnny's house. As you can see, we got new valve cover gaskets. We got all the kinks out of the motor. Yeah, I know it still needs to be wiped down and all, but we're gonna change the black valve covers. I have a braided hose too as well. Then we're gonna clean it all up. The hood came out pretty good. Maybe we can get a cruise going on later on. Let y'all hear the cam at idle. Here's an early Christmas gift, even though Christmas is a couple of days away. Look at them. They look like Alex Beatty whales right there. Pretty nice valve covers. Johnny went ahead and polished them up for me. Came out really nice. I think it'll be a good look on the car, especially after we clean it, polish the radiator, clean up the air cleaner and stuff, the alternator, wipe down the engine bay. It'll look good. But here's the installation. Here we are, guys. I went ahead and finished it up. Johnny really helped me out. Thank you for the early Christmas gift. I know it's still a clutter right here, but hopefully we can fix that in the future. I tightened up the belt. We got the braided hose going on there. We tried to shine it up as best as we could for right now. It's getting late, but she sure cleaned up pretty good. It's a lot better than before, guys. Let me tell you. Down. It's 25 degrees out here, so it's still a high idle a little bit. It rides really smooth. It does have a 3800 stall converter in it, for those who are saying that the RPMs. See, like when I'm at 3K, the car barely goes, you know, a mile or maybe 2.5 miles over what I'm originally doing. But she rides smooth, very responsive. Look at that view. It's been years since I've been behind the wheel of this baby. Currently, I'm still at 135 miles on the motor, which isn't much, But considering I've only been driving the car for a week after work, here and there, you know, so I still have to go, I'd say another 550. I really want to get 600, 700 miles before I actually get on the throttle. But I have some gauges in here. I only have the temp gauge working right now. I still have to do the oil gauge. I have the other oil gauge down there. The radio does work. The music system does work fine. Let's enjoy the car. Close out the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.